Back with the eBay rescue, the cleanup begins. So start stripping down. So parts in the bucket there, ready to be greased. See the amount of dust. And all the shocks, no oil in them. So we'll rebuild them once they're clean. There we go. Right, so far we've stripped it down. I haven't cleaned the gearbox out or the axles. Everything's had a good spray. All the rust, muck is off on the outside. We've put it back to stock with the electronics, so the ESC and the axial motor. We've got steering, we've got power. So I'm missing a couple of mounting brackets for the other rock slider. So let's see if I can get them printed. And then that'll complete the chassis. We've got the body all washed down, car shampoo, looking nice and shiny. Just a couple of finishing touches now. I've taken the winch off because it was all, the wires were all stripped out anyway. So now I know it works. We'll cable tie some of these in just to make it tidy. And just a couple of finishing touches then. Right, clean and rebuild complete. See, we've got one rock slider on. Go forward. Reverse. It's a 35 turn motor, so it's a bit quicker. And there it is with my other SCX10s.